Good afternoon. My name is Viraj Shinde. I am from A18 batch. Today we are going to talk about control cables. What are control cables? The cables that control the surfaces of the aircraft are called control cables. The control cables are the long cables. They are flexible and they are used to operate the control the whole aircraft by connecting the controlling surface with the by controlling the yoke to the surfaces like flaps, ailerons, etc. The main purpose they are used for the main reason they are used for is because they are long, flexible, and they are also very tenacious. They don't break easily. There are many patterns. There are only two patterns actually. The control cables can be arranged. It's 7 by 7. I mean that means 7 strands and 7 wires, and 19 by 7. 19 strands and 7 wires. Moving on to the next, we have swedging. What exactly is swedging? So, to use anything, it should be of right measurement. The control cable, if we require only 10 meters and we are using 20 meters, that's just wastage of material, and you won't get proper work done. The extra cable would be lying here and there, interfering with all other works. So, the control cable should be cut exactly in exact proportions, and at the end there should be connectors joined to it. The connectors can be many types. The connector are those the who connect the control cable to the controlling surface, the one who controls these flaps and all. So after they're connected, they should be pressed. So they after applying compound, after doing this wedging, the after the polishing the ends and all, the control cables must be pressed with the the turnbuckles or etc. We will go on to it in the later part. We use two type of equipment for securing the terminals of the control cable, which are turnbuckles and push and pull wiring. While flying in air, the airplane vibrates a lot. So sometimes the nuts, the bolts, they due to vibrations, they can open up. So we need some safety wiring. So for these we have like pins, the pins which are hold for shear applications and safety, and these are taper pins, flathead pins, quarter pins, and roll pins. What is safety wiring? So apparently the aircraft vibrates while flying, and due to this, the nuts and bolts can get loose. So that there comes to rescue is safety wiring. The safety wiring are made from many types: the double twist method, the single twist method. Mostly double twist method is used. It locks the bolt, and thereby it secures the bolt from moving apart. So, and the as you can see here, see, these are various types of locking push and pull assembly. It is a push and pull assembly, sorry. This is the various type of locking systems. So this is the double wrap, single wrap, and many types of wrapping systems are there to ensure that the component and the and the fitting does not get loose, and our aircraft does not fall apart in middle of flight. From here on we will go very slow because this page is quite important. So electrical connectors, I will first tell the paragraph, then I will explain it. Electrical connectors: under condition of severe vibration, the coupling nut of the connector may vibrate loose, and with sufficient vibration the connector may fall apart. When this occurs, the circuit carried by the cable opens. The proper protective measure to prevent this occurrence is by safety wiring, shown in figure 7.74. The safety wire should be as short as practicable and must be installed in such a manner that the pull on the wire is in direction and that tightens the nut and on the plug. So what it tells us is, due to vibrations, the connector can come apart and the circuit can be broken. So when the circuit breaks, the electricity would not reach to the required components, and thereby the whole system might fall apart. So for that purpose, we use protective safety measures that that tightens on while that should be installed in such a manner that pull on the wire in the direction that tightens the nut on the plug. Like when the vibration, it tightens automatically. Moving on to the next part, we have turnbuckles. After a turnbuckle has been properly adjusted, it must be safetied. There are several methods of safetying turnbuckles. However, there are only two methods are discussed in this section. This method are illustrated in figure 7.75. The clip locking method is used in most modern aircraft, and the older types of turnbuckles require wire wrapping method. So these are the clip locking methods. And these are the wire wrapping method. So apparently, the thing is, in the end, we want the connectors to be secured with the nuts, and it should not fall apart when faced with vibrations. So we use many types of methods like clip locking and wire wrapping. Wire wrapping was used in olden times. Now in modern aircrafts, we use clip locking methods. Moving on to the next topic, we have double wrap and single wrap methods. So it's as simple as it can be. I won't be reading the entire paragraph because the things written here are way too complicated. I will simplify it. That's why I am here. So double wrap methods, as you can see through learn through pictures. As you can see in double wrap method, see the first one, the spiral double wrap. We start from here, we start wrapping here, then we go through here, and then like we wrap here. So there's the single strand of wire is here now. Now we go like this, like this, and the third wrap is here. Then we did the first one here, then the second one here, now the third one here. Now the wire goes like this, and the fourth wrap is here. So overall our connector is safe. Now the double wrap is of many types. You see, this is the spiral type of wrap, this is the normal double wrap. Now the single wrap is quite sufficient, but the thing is, we humans are very 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 conscious about safety. I take my statement back, because not every time, but most of the time we are conscious about safety. So single wrap, in single wrap, see, first the wire is coiled here, then the both of the wires are passed through like this, then this, then this. Like in single wrap and double wrap, both have spiral wrap and normal wrap. In the end, the main purpose is to secure the bolt. We have the general safety wiring rules. Pigtail of should be 1/4 or 1/2 inches. Should be made with end of wiring. Pigtail must be bent back and under to prevent becoming a snag. The safety wiring must be new upon each application, etc. etc. When castle nuts are used to be secured, safety wiring tighten the nut to the low side of the selected torque range unless otherwise specified. It necessary continue tightening along the slot with the hole. All the safety wires must be tied after installation, not under tension, and vibration must be breaks. The wire must be applied so that all the pull exerted by the wire tightens the nut. The twist should be even and tight, etc. etc. In the end, it just says the wire should be tight enough, the coil should have equal amount of tension, the wire should not break. We should use new wires in while tying the. We should use new wires while renewing the renewing the safety, etc., etc. In the end, all the possible measures written in the manual should be followed to secure the connector. Thank you very much.